The year was 1956. Pampanga was burning. Peasants and farmers were up in arms against landowners. The poor were taking up arms against the government. And a godless ideology was sweeping across the province, threatening the Catholic faith and the gains made by the recently created Diocese of San Fernando. 4 years earlier, in 1952, Bishop Cesar Maria Guerrero had turned to Virgen de los Remedios for help. He established the Cruzada ng Pamanisi at Lugod, in which the image of the Virgen was taken in procession all over the province to rally Kapampangans to renew their faith and to stem the tide of socialism and communism threatening to engulf the entire province. Wherever the Virgin went, Kapampangans by the thousands gathered in prayer and penance. Sinners were converted and the sick miraculously healed. The tradition of Lamak was born, inspiring the rich to share their resources with the poor. The Cruzada had turned the tide and Pampanga was saved from physical and spiritual destruction. Thus, on September 8, 1956, the Pope sent the papal nuncio to Pampanga to canonically crown the image of Virgen de los Remedios. A new devotion was born. Kapampangans came together as one to express their gratitude to the Blessed Mother for rescuing them from anarchy and social injustice. This year, on September 8, 2006, Pampanga celebrates the 50th anniversary of the canonical coronation of her patroness, the Virgen de los Remedios. This is a golden opportunity for us, Kapampangans, to renew our devotion to the Blessed Mother, a golden opportunity to thank her for once again saving us, this time from Pinatubo and other recent calamities that nearly destroyed our province.
Aking mga kapatid sa ating Panginoon at sa ating mahal na ina, ang Virgen de los Remedios, napakahalaga po ang papel ng ating mahal na ina sa buhay pananampalataya ng isang Kapampangan. Kaya sa pagdarating ng ika-50 taon na anibersaryo ng kanyang canonical coronation, ang Virgen de los Remedios, malugod ko po kayong lahat na inaanyahan na magdasal, makisali at makipag-isa sa amin para magtagumpay ating handaan at maging makabuluhan ang ating selebrasyon. Sana po ito celebration na ito ay magbubunga ng pagkakaisa, pagmamahal at paglilingkod sa bawat isa sa atin. Maraming salamat po and God bless you all.